Hello, good afternoon students. So today we are going to present a lecture on topic role of cryptography in digital image processing. We will see what is digital image processing, what is cryptography and how cryptography is applied in digital image processing. This lecture is a part of OER program, that is Open Educational Resource, which is run by IIT Bombay, and it is part of bbppt1 version. Some outlines are there, that is introduction. First we will give the introduction of digital image processing and cryptography. Next is application, what is the application of cryptography. Next we have done certain review, the literature review. So we will give the list of review which is done in the area of cryptography and digital image processing. Next is what are the future work which will be done. Next is conclusion, and lastly references. So digital image processing is a technique in which we use to digitalize all the images taken by particular persons in the form of with the help of mobile or with the help of digital or SLR cameras, and we use these images in various areas, in security areas, also in banks and various other areas. So for securing this particular images, we used to apply certain techniques. These techniques are built with the help of certain algorithms in the form of watermarking technique, anonymity technique, stenography technique, and second is cryptography technique. There are various algorithms in this cryptography technique also, and it is in the form of cryptotext. We used to convert the pixels of images in the form of text, and then we used to encrypt and decrypt this text. So what are the applications of cryptography? Cryptography is used for monitoring communication. They are used for proxy signal, sign encryptions, secure message transferring, fraction observation of data, transferring files on network, certificates and authentications, and it is also used for SSL protocols. There are various protocols used in cryptography, and SSL protocol is one of them. In our future work, we will explain the concept of SSL protocol. Next is digital signature and authentication. There are various techniques through which we use to provide digital signatures and authentication. For understanding this work, we have reviewed 25 research papers. Among them, Neeraj Kumar was a person who has given their review in 2014. According to them, algorithm is based on cryptography, use one technique that is known as 3D matrix representation. This 3D matrix representation is applied in color images. Next work was given by Quincent in 2014. They have used biometrics images and applied AES technique and visual cryptography methods in this particular images. Next work was given by Priyanka in 2013, and they have told us how we can crack particular encrypt images and how we can view that particular image. Next work was given by Galendha in 2012, and they suggested how encrypted and decrypted messages are written in image. In image we can write our messages also, and this technique was written by Glendon. Then the work was given by Gopi Krishnan in 2011, and they have told us how visual cryptography can be secured and color images can be secured. Likewise, several works in 2011, Jennifer has given their work. They have collected Google Earth images and applied this cryptography technique in this Google Earth images. Next, in 2009, Bhuvendra and Acharya has given their work. Anil Kumar has given in 2013. In 2014, Prashant has given their work. In 2008, Franks and Yu has given their work. Caffrey has given their work in 1987. This was the one of the oldest work, and they have written about how visual cryptography can be studied and what are the techniques which are applied in visual cryptography. Likewise, in 2011, Yong has given their work. 2011 only, Wang has given their work. In 2011, Ran Zhan has given their work, and in 2003, Sinha has given their work. In future, we will discuss how we can apply particular cryptography technique in digital image processing. Detailed of that cryptography, which we will take an example of particular image and we will apply the step-by-step concept of cryptography. We will also see how personal security, particular person face is secured by applying cryptography technique. Conclusion of our work is that we have surveyed various cryptography papers. We have seen how Google Map images, how personal images can be secured by applying cryptography, and various algorithms were reviewed by us. There are various references which we have given in this slide, and there are various questions also. Here we are giving few questions. For example, cryptography is the process of protecting data, whether yes or no. Second question is cryptography is applied on number 1, transferring file. Second, certificate and authentication. Next option is digital signature and authentication, and last option is above all. Next question is work on Google Earth map collected by satellite are stored in image library is given by which author? Quest Calvi in 2014, Jennifer 2011, Ran Zhan in 2011, or Caffrey in 1987. Which option is the correct option? Student has to solve this quiz question, and they have to answer in my Moodle that is drbn.moodlecloud.com site. They can find this slide in Moodle or my WordPress site, and they can answer the question.